Nipher. I'm Carter.
And I'm Holly. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd.
Even though it is Tuesday, there will be no leadership PSA today.
Hopefully they will return next week for another night vision reminder.
After school activities, meeting today are Power Hour in room 106 South.
Robotic Club with Mr. Baker and Library Lab 1.
6th grade intramural rock climbing and badminton in the South Gym.
Star Wars Club and Mr. Warren in room 103 West.
Superhero Club with Mr. Gaglu in room 212 North.
And Coding Club with Mr. Shimoni will be meeting in Library Lab 3 after school.
That's it for today, Nipher.
We hope you had a great day. And remember,
You belong at Nipher!